Welcome back, folks. Today in the kitchen I'm going to be cooking Pilau basmati rice. Nice and simple, goes with just about anything. First thing I'm doing is rinsing the rice. You want to wash off that extra starch. While that's sitting, I'll slice up a shallot. This is where the flavour starts. We're keeping this to a single serving, nice and simple, but it scales every time. You could use a spring onion, but the shallot softens down and gives you that slightly sweet, proper pilau base. Alright, put that into the pan. Add in a little bit of olive oil. Once the onions start to soften down a little bit, we're going to add in some pilau seasoning, around half a teaspoon per portion. Give that a mix around and give that just 30 seconds, just to give the spices time to start blooming. Okay, now let's add in our rice. Again, give that a little mix around just to coat all the grains. If you've got a bay leaf, you can throw a bay leaf in as well. Now we add the water. 2 parts water to 1 part rice. Add in a little pinch of salt. Turn the heat on, bring it up to a boil. Once it starts to boil, reduce it down to a simmer, and then you can leave that for around 10 minutes. Don't forget to remove that bay leaf. Let it sit with the lid on for another 5 minutes. This is the bit that most people skip, but it makes all the difference. Lid off, and you can already see nice separate grains, no clumping, proper golden colour. And that's it. Simple, proper pilau rice. Works with anything. If you give this a go, let me know how it turns out. More importantly, are you team fluffy rice, or have you been putting up with sticky rice this whole time? If you're wondering what to pair this with, check out my chicken drumsticks or my chicken wing videos. I'll be letting this cool down and I'll be adding some leftover chicken to it later for my lunch. But I think I'll give it a little taste test. It'd be rude not to, wouldn't it? Perfectly cooked, soft, fluffy, delicious. Well, hope you enjoyed that one. Nice and simple recipe. If you did, do me a favour, hit that like button, leave a comment, share it with somebody who might like it, and subscribe for more content in the future. Just one more. See ya.